According to Yahoo News, live weather updates, tornadoes, blizzard conditions, and high wind warnings impact millions in winter storms across the U.S. A massive winter storm swept across the U.S. on Tuesday, bringing heavy snow and blizzard conditions from the plains to the Great Lakes and drenching rain and high winds to the northeast, portions of which were still dragging out from last weekend's nor'easter that dumped more than a foot of snow in some areas. The same system brought heavy rain, hail, and at least 3 reported tornadoes in the south. According to the National Weather Service, a second storm is expected to produce blizzard conditions throughout the Pacific Northwest. Here in Oregon, we have extremely windy conditions with cold weather. Please be careful out there, my beloveds.